Welcome to Cine Tech, where we give you the research-backed truth about tech products. Today, we're reviewing the Roborock Q7 M5 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop. This unit boasts 10,000 pascals of suction and a self-emptying dock that lets you go weeks without manual intervention. Check the link in the description for the best price. Understanding its practical cleaning abilities helps you decide if it fits your home's needs. This robot offers excellent vacuuming because its strong suction and precise LiDAR navigation handle routine floor maintenance effectively. For pet owners, the anti-tangle system is a significant benefit, consistently managing pet hair from various breeds around the house. The self-emptying dock is a major highlight for hands-off operation, dramatically increasing the convenience of your cleaning routine. Its advanced LiDAR mapping system supports reliable, room-by-room coverage, ensuring the robot doesn't miss areas during its cleaning cycles. The Q7 M5 Plus truly excels in daily cleaning tasks, particularly when it comes to vacuuming and managing pet hair effectively. This is thanks to its reliable navigation. We look at whether its features and performance align with its position in the market. The self-empty dock significantly boosts the convenience of ownership, making this model much more appealing for a set-and-forget cleaning experience. Its powerful suction and reliable navigation capabilities offer an attractive package, delivering strong performance within its price category. For households with pets, this robot provides a solid value proposition, handling pet hair effectively without needing constant manual intervention. It strikes a good balance between its price and the level of daily automation it offers, holding its own against competitors. The Roborock Q7 M5 Plus provides impressive overall value, especially considering its convenient self-empty dock and robust performance for homes with pets. Every product has considerations. Understanding them helps you make an informed decision. While convenient, self-empty systems still involve recurring costs like dust bags and require occasional maintenance to keep them running smoothly. This robot handles light mopping adequately, but it isn't designed for deep cleaning or tackling stubborn, stuck-on messes like premium mopping specialists. Potential buyers should carefully compare this model against options like the Q10S5 Plus or other discounted competitors to ensure the best fit. One notable strength is Roborock's reliable customer support and the consistent availability of accessories, ensuring a good ownership experience. Although this unit is generally low risk, potential buyers should know that the self-empty dock needs occasional upkeep. Also, its mopping is not a primary strength. The Roborock Q7 M5 Plus is a highly recommended option for anyone prioritizing robust vacuuming and hands-off convenience. It's best suited for homes that need reliable daily vacuum automation with self-emptying capabilities. However, if your main concern is advanced, deep cleaning mopping, you might find its mopping features less sophisticated than premium alternatives. Ultimately, it offers an excellent balance of core performance and automation for its price point.